Why you need to buy 15,000 parallel coins now. Hey there guys, and welcome to the crypto world. Before we start with the video, let us tell you about today's sponsor, Gate.io. Now, for those of you who don't know Gate.io. Gate.io is a platform to which protects your funds with both centralized and decentralized methods. It is also the first exchange to invest millions in security and law funds to add extra protection for the users. Using Gate.io, you'll be able to trade, buy, earn, and stay up to date with everything around crypto. We will leave a link in the description for you. With that being said, please do remember that this video is not a financial advice, so before investing any money, please do your own research. And now to the video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about why you need to buy 15,000 parallel coins now. Firstly, what does the parallel stand for? The parallel is a Binance Smart Chain powered endless metaverse where users can freely create their own worlds and experiences. The parallel links people from all over the world together to create a truly unique GameFi experience, where people can enjoy a never-ending supply of entertainment, gaming, and earning opportunities. Players can use runes or materials to create NFT paragons or characters that are protected by the Hydra copyright system in this metaverse. These paragons can be brought into the world to participate in casual games, PvE and PvP, and a growing number of other fascinating activities. Above all, players' patented dragon designs become good money producers, providing a potential source of cash flow. What is so special about this parallel model of earning while having fun? The parallel, unlike the bulk of the gaming industry, which today uses a free-to-play and play-to-earn model, is in the forefront of the enjoy-to-play movement. Players generate value for other players and game developers by participating in the economy. They receive in-game assets as a reward. Cryptocurrencies and in-game resources encoded on the blockchain are examples of digital assets. Unlike play-to-earn, enjoy-to-earn does not impose any restrictions on players' earning potential. All they have to do is engage in the dynamic gaming environment. The parallel's fundamental element is creativity. Instead of using the game's pre-made characters, players can create their own. In addition, all of the players' creative endeavors are possible. The Parallel's unique AI technology, the Hydra system, can copyright content. Last but not least, the Parallel provides limitless opportunities for individuals, teams, and even game studios and entertainment companies to engage, experience, and earn. As of January 2nd, 2022, the current price of the Parallel is $0.527, up with 16.6% in the last 24 hours. The Parallel's all-time high of $0.616 was set on December 28, 2021, and is now down 14.5%. The Parallel will be issued in a maximum amount of 1 billion tokens, with a current supply of 19.79 million tokens in circulation. The 24 hours trading volume of Parallel is $2.98 million. It is traded on 2 markets and 1 exchange, with PancakeSwap being the most active with a market capitalization of $10.43 million. Parallel is with a 24-hour trading volume of $15,185.95. The Parallel price is approximately $0.061 today. The kickstart the creation of an infinite metaverse in which people can collaborate on projects, a world where social entertainment, gaming, and economic opportunities abound. Let's enter a metaverse where inventiveness knows no bounds. The cornerstone of the Parallel is the Paragon crafting game. It is here that the world-building process begins. You can collect materials and make any type of paragon. Most significantly, the Hydra systems, a growing smart AI copyright protection system, will safeguard your work. The components that make up the parallel universe are known as runes, and they may be found all throughout. Runes are divided into tiers and categories, with each having a significant impact on the power and stats of a constructed paragon. This adds multiple layers of interesting intricacy and replayability to the core game. Casual games are simple to play and easy to earn. Anyone can begin to participate in our metaverse by playing these games to earn runes and PS tokens for use in other activities. This first game in the casual game series is Logging. It's a game that anyone can enjoy because of its simple mechanics. It's simple to play and easy to acquire. Players can play casual games with their own paragon, hacking down trees on the battlefield to gain runes. The game makes use of blockchain's Merkle tree technology to ensure that all game data is transparent and public, and that players can verify their progress and data at any time. Logging allows you to save money and gain tokens. Unlike other games where players compete against one another, Parallel's core appeal is based on user interactions. The game aims to provide immersive experience to people from all walks of life, regardless of their age, gender, occupation, or social status. Everyone can engage in world building, entertainment, interacting, and managing their own assets in a future economy, and they can simply swap between assets in the parallel and real life. The long-term objective is to see the Parallel's limitless canvas evolve into a big and diversified collection of explorable paintings that encompass the great talent of the global gaming community. They plan to create an engaging and gratifying enjoy-to-earn ecosystem that will eventually grow into the world's greatest gaming community of crypto and non-crypto fans. Are you still perplexed as to why you need to get 15,000 coins right now? Okay, I'll tell you some reasons why. User-generated content is a type of user-generated content or creative. Players will be able to be entirely themselves in the parallel universe. Thanks to their limitless creative capacity of imagination, players can create their own world and collaborate with others to create a limitless universe of the parallel. The parallel will offer a platform for gamers to play, create, collect, trade, and earn cryptocurrencies without having to go through a central control system. Hydra System – Copyright Ownership. The Hydra system, a technology that exceeds current copyright measures, will ensure that the participants' contributions are copyrighted. This method uses artificial intelligence to verify that each NFT created is unique, with no two NFTs sharing more than 85% similarity features. This means that players can claim entire ownership of their own-of-a-kind product and profit from licensing or leasing the NFT without risk of copying it. Enjoy playing in a new concept. Recently, the majority of gaming concepts have been free-to-play or play-to-earn. The Parallels, on the other hand, is a one-of-a-kind experience. They want to be at the forefront of the enjoy-to-play movement. They create a reality that is purposely meant to give complete control to each and every member. They want players to be able to make money doing what they enjoy. They can be or dream of being anything they want as long as they're happy doing it while earning real money in the form of the parallel token or precious NFTs. Extracurricular activities. Players from all over the world exchange runes for special seasonal rune resources to create a festival-themed item during special festive events. A prize will be given to the player who successfully casts that item. Competitions for Paragon and land will also be held. The best Paragons and lands will win enormous sums of money in a competition where players' designs will be judged. Special activities will be updated and refreshed while the parallel progresses. Marketplace. Marketplace will be used for trading and transaction procedures involving NFTs and things from the parallel universe. This is an online marketplace where gamers may buy and sell common products. In addition, the marketplace will be used for auctions. The beginning price as well as the date and time of the auction are shown beside the rare object. Following each auction, the person who placed the highest bid wins the item and purchase it. And so many more reasons on why you should buy this now. So hurry up and get your own 15,000 coin on Parallels to experience a world of difference. Take advantage of the possibility to gain full ownership of assets by actively playing. Because Parallel's purpose is to strike a balance between entertainment and monetization potential, bringing gamers into a fun and creative environment while also offering a revenue source for all participants in the major goal. Also, the Parallel universe lets players and producers take actual ownership of the digital world, engage in governance and economics, and design and enjoy a simple way to benefit from their gaming. The project is still in its early stages, but with the support of an experienced and devoted team, additional unique elements in the virtual world will be developed, allowing you to play, construct, collect, earn, manage, and own any property in the game. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you on to the next video. Until then, take care.